Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can share notes on any Instagram reel or post with specific friend or with only one person. If you find some reel or post interesting and you want to write something on that reel, there is an option on Instagram that you can share with your notes. But if you want to share notes on reel with only a specific person or any one friend, then you can do it also. So for that, just open any Instagram reel. So I have like this reel and now I want to share notes on this reel. So I will click on this share option. Now just slide and here you can see the option called add note. I will click on this add note. So write something about this video. After writing, here you can see there option written as followers you follow back. Just click on this one and now here you can choose any specific friend. So I will click on this close friends and I will click on this arrow add people. Now I can select just single person and I will click on done, and this note along with this reel will be shared with only this person. So this is how you can share notes on any Instagram reel with specific person.